Hello guys, who is ready to make some money? The week behind us was wild. GameStop was sucking all the trading volume from all the other stocks till it became the most traded stock on the New York Stock Exchange. It jumped from $60 to almost $500. And the question is, which diamond is going to do the same next week? I think I got the answer. I think it's going to be AMC. They have a very big short interest ratio. Shorts are going to have to cover a lot of their positions next week, and we finished strong on Friday. So it's in a good position to do the same thing that GameStop did. Before we jump in, if you enjoy watching my videos, please show me some love, subscribe to the channel down below, leave me a comment, like the video, and let's jump into it. Now, AMC has a short interest of almost 45 million shares, almost 85% of total free float, meaning that 85% of total shares that are in circulations are being borrowed by short sellers that are predicting that this company is going to be bankrupt. Now, if you're like me, we have all been burned by these short sellers. So trading this stock, it's not about fundamentals. The only thing that we care about is that the company doesn't go bankrupt. And they secured that in December by raising almost $1 billion in cash to stave off bankruptcy. Trading this stock is using a strategy that has been also used by hedge funds, and it's called short squeeze. With so many short sellers that are predicting this company will go bankrupt, they have created an environment that is ripe for correction, for us retail investors to teach them a lesson that it is unhealthy to short a stock to these levels. Because when a company has this much short interest, if it jumps just by a little bit, it can cause much higher moves, because short sellers are forced to cover their position, thus driving the prices even higher. Now, in AMC's example, next week a lot of shorts are expiring and a lot of positions will be closing. That means that the stock price is expected to jump on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, every day of the week. Now, if you have a little more risk tolerance, the game plan is to jump in on Monday if you haven't already, and hold until Thursday. It is expected that we will reach the peak on Thursday. Now, if you don't have a lot of risk tolerance, you can hunt for day trades, because AMC stock will be seeing very big fluctuations in price on Monday and throughout the week. Now, this is not financial advice, and I always say, play only with money that you can afford to lose, because this is the same as penny stocks. They have the potential to jump greatly, but they can also go down very quickly. So it is because we finished on such a strong note on Friday, it is expected that we will see somewhere around $50 for a stock of AMC on Monday. and because there is so much short interest that has to cover, it is expected that we will see prices of $150 by Thursday. Now, these are only expectations. From what we have seen last week, the short sellers will use all the dirty tactics that they can that they can think of. For example, on last week on Thursday, they used Citadel used clearing houses as an excuse to raise capital requirements, thus blocking some brokerages from trading in some shares. Now, for them to do something like this in the public with so much media attention, that really means that they are hurting, because I don't know exactly what will happen with the law, but I expect someone to go to jail for this, because it was a clear manipulation with positive result to hedge funds. Because when they did something like this, they basically cut off the demand and only allowing supply to come to the market, driving the price down and giving them an opportunity to cover their positions. About 8% was covered on Thursday when these stocks were going down. So it tells a lot what kind of tactics they will try to use in the next week, because us retail investors are still very interested to make some money and to punish these hedge funds, because they have been doing this to us forever, and now we can take back the power and punish them. So expect a lot of volatility, expect a lot of dirty tactics, and remember, what we are doing is not illegal. It's only using a strategy that was devised by the same hedge fund managers that are now on the back foot by us into our advantage. So I hope all of you will see big returns, nice gains, and let's have a nice week ahead of us. I entered into AMC last week at about $13, so I'm still holding my position. And let me know down in the comments if you already entered into AMC, or if you will enter into AMC on Monday. Let me know. What do you think? What prices will we see? I think that we will see somewhere around $100, because that is almost the same that we saw with GameStop. It went from 60 to almost 500. So happy hunting. Bye.